So, good day everyone. So, ito po yung system namin. It is made by Patrick Lawrence and Corpus and Jeros Rahim D. Ferrer. So, basically guys, ito po yung system natin. And ang ipi-preview po natin ngayon is yung admin dashboard. So, to see if our domain is working and our system is generating. So, try natin itong i-paste kung gumagana ba. So, ayun guys, gumagana naman yung system namin. It is published online. So, without further ado, try natin mag-login as admin. So, yung authentication namin guys is may security feature siya na CAPTCHA. So, para maiwasan natin yung mga bots. Kadalasan kasi ginagamit ng mga hackers is bots para mag-authenticate ng system. So, ito guys, ito po yung aming admin dashboard. So, dito sa admin dashboard, makikita po natin, meron siyang contents. May iba't iba siyang elements and parts. So, meron din siyang sidebar and collapsible din siya para ma-full view natin yung contents ng dashboard. So, i-discuss ko lang saglit itong ating admin pages. First, ang magpapakita na page pag nag-login ka sa admin is itong admin dashboard. So, yung admin dashboard, makikita po natin dito yung statistics and analytics ng system natin. So, here, makikita natin is these are the total accounts. Ito po yung total na users po. 41 users with later on makikita natin yung iba't ibang users. Courses, we have 25 courses. Nanggagaling po ito sa shared na database po mula sa Infosys. So, finish lang po namin yung data galing sa shared database. And makikita natin merong active staff rate. So, kung lahat is active na staff, so, mame-measure din dito. And then yung register coverage. So, ibig sabihin lahat ng staff na register is na-assign sila sa iba't ibang courses. So far, lahat naman sila is assigned. So, that is why it is 100%. So, meron tayong different graphs or analytics here. Is 7-day activity. So, from Monday to Friday, assume na lang natin, ganito po mare-record po yung statistics kung gaano kadami or ka-active yung system natin. Yung transaction between students rather, and sa iba't ibang staffs. So, ang pinaka-active dito is students since sila yung constantly na nag-gather ng requirements, nagre-request ng assignments rather. So, sa April 17, ito yung pinaka-peak na point kung saan sa April 17, napakadaming users ang nagkakaroon ng process and transactions. So here, these are the statistics of the users and courses. Dito kanina, makikita natin dito, recorded po dito lahat ng users. So approximately, ang students po natin is 30. 30 po yung students. So yung other students dito is finish lang din po natin galing sa shared na database which is later on papatunayan po natin. And then ito yung registrar. Ito yung registrar, 9 po sila na staff. Sorry po. 9 po sila na staff na nag-handle ng courses na to. And then cashier isa lang. And admin is isa lang which is yung nakalagin po ngayon. So yung top courses, makikita po natin BSIT. Mostly, yung nasa shared po na database kasi mostly BSIT po sila. So kaya dito, sila po yung na-fetch po natin. Top courses. Ganyan. Dito sa shortcuts, these are the admin modules. So para po silang widgets. Which is shortcuts po. For example, user crew. So mapupunta ka po dito sa users pages. Later on, makikita natin. And then may widget po dito, recent activity. May shortcut po dito, makikita niyo yung recent activities. or na-audit dito sa system. For example, kanina yung ginawa ko is nag-login ako. So, nare-record siya dito sa latest logs or sa recently activity. So, without further ado anyway, punta tayo sa iba't ibang pages like the users. So, dito sa users, makikita nyo guys, collapsible siya yung sidebar. Sa users, management, makikita po natin dito yung iba't ibang students. So, kanina sinabi ko, papatunayan po natin na yung ibang students po is galing sa shared database. So, makikita natin dito, Abad John Miles. Finish lang po natin siya sa shared database natin, which is working. Abelyar. These are real students, not dummy users. Papapatunayan natin dahil nakuha natin or na-fetch natin sila sa shared database. And Acacia Chanel na rin. So makikita natin, halo-halo siya actually. Halo-halo siya na dummy users and mostly sa fetch, nasa shared database yung users natin. Sa students ko lang siya pinunta. And then, pwede ka rin mag-add dito ng user manually. You can add student, either student or staff. Next page is the courses page. So here, you can manage different courses. Like you can enter BSIT and its course name. For example, Bachelor of Science of Science Technology. And here, pwede mo rin siya i-filter like sa users table kanina. And then dito lahat ng courses. Try natin filter from A to Z. And then yung kanina, yung recently activity. So sa recently activity or activity logs, ang kagandahan dito is pwede ka mag-filter like sa iba't ibang table natin para mas mapadali. You can also click reset para makita mo yung lahat ng iba't ibang processes na naganap. Then also, importantly, yung nasa activity natin is yung settings. So sa settings, mababasa mo na may helper naman dito. Reference view for online system profile database connection natin. At test natin kung connected nga ba ito sa ating given na database ng system natin. Makikita natin. ISU Kawain DB.rec. So that is the database name. And then also, itong isa, yung shared, yung kanina yung sinasabi ko, yung Infosys. So, dito sa settings, makikita natin if the database connection is working. And, tapos pwede nyo na lang po basahin yan. And then lastly is help. So, dito sa help, makikita natin yung recording sequence. So, ni-record ko na lang to kung paano ko may video ito lahat. So, may guides naman dito sa like for dashboards, makikita mo ito, blah blah blah, etc. etc. And then checklist. So that's it. Thank you for watching. So this is our lab dashboard activity.